Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Greek customized Beyblade. It's one of the best Beyblades, and I'll show you the parts. Just hold on. Okay, I got my tool, and I'm gonna show you. I made this Beyblade like I think a long time ago. I made this Beyblade like I think last year or something, or 2 years ago. I need Facebook. Using Soul Blaze, you need the Jupiter engine, you need the Death visual from Death Quetzalcoatl. You need the Death Quetzalcoatl visual. Mine's has both, so it doesn't change modes, but you need the CH120 spin track from Infernal Pixels. I got mine from Infernal Pixels. You could also get it from Dark Asher. You get the MB tip from Poison Alpha. I'm gonna assemble it, and after you assemble it, I'm gonna show you a test launch. You screw it with your fingers, and then you use a tool to make it tighter. I have a red one. It came with my Grand Sears or something. So yeah, I'm gonna do a test launch. Actually, a battle. Okay, I'm gonna use Grand Sears. Now with Grand Sears. There you go. Got both for the Beyblades. So yeah, it's not the best, but it's one of a great customized. So I hope you make that Beyblade. Subscribe to me. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and bye.